As many people look for more flexible opportunities to make money outside of their 9-to-5 jobs, freelancing and part-time work have become more and more popular. The gig economy had its rise in 2008 as many unemployed and underemployed people set out in need of extra money due to the economic crisis. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a similar effect on the economy, but thanks to recent digital technology innovations, becoming a gig worker is now easier than ever. But what exactly is the gig economy, and how can you become a gig worker? We've all used gig economy services in some shape or form. It's a labour market that offers part-time and freelance opportunities as opposed to full-time jobs with fixed contracts. While some people work gig economy jobs as a side hustle, others make it their full-time occupation. Whether it's driving a taxi, delivering food, babysitting, or something entirely different, the gig economy offers you flexible hours and varying pay rates. The three components of the gig economy are consumers, gig workers, and the companies that bring them together. When looking for someone to complete a certain task or project, consumers, or even businesses, can visit an app-based platform such as Uber or Fiverr to find the right person for the job. These people are called gig workers, and they get to decide when to work and for how long. It's good to note that companies in the gig economy serve simply as a link between workers and consumers, and usually take a cut of the revenue for providing that opportunity. With its low barriers to entry, anyone can join the gig economy, regardless of their skill set. While some roles are up for grabs, others may require a specific licence or the need to pass security and safety checks. Other advantages of working in the gig economy are the flexible work hours with potential for a better work-life balance. Many people choose the gig economy for the freedom it provides. As a worker in the gig economy, you have the final say when it comes to choosing a specific task or project, as well as the ability to work from anywhere in the world. Freedom comes at a cost though. One of the downsides is a lack of pension savings and health insurance, which are two things usually covered by the employer in a full-time contract. Sick leave and paid holiday leave aren't usually covered either, so if the gig economy is your main source of income, it's best to factor in these costs when planning your next vacation. The lack of job security is another disadvantage, since there are no redundancy packages or dismissal notice periods in this type of work. If you want to explore some part-time opportunities in the gig economy, websites like Airbnb, Deliveroo, Uber, Fiverr or Amazon are a good place to start. There are many websites and apps out there that link gig economy workers with people and companies in need of their services. All you need to do is choose your field of expertise. Gig economy jobs are a growing trend, but will they continue to be so in the future? Can you imagine a world where the gig economy is a dominant type of employment? Tell us what you think in the comments. If you still have questions about money management or are just on the lookout for smart banking tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel or head to n26.com.